Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to join an expired Telegram link. So in your mind you're going to say that it's impossible, and yes, I agree. It is impossible to do so. There's no such thing as you can join an expired Telegram link because as it suggests it's already expired basically like this. So it's either the group is private and you really don't have access to it, and that's a perk, and that's a privacy perk and you cannot bypass that, and the other one is that it's deleted. So how will you join a Telegram group or link that's already expired, right? Does that make sense at all? So there you go, guys. It's just an answer, a frequently asked question also of how you can do it. The answer is you don't. You can't. So it's either you make a new group or you request that person, whoever the group owner is, for you to invite you to their new group or to the certain private group that you want. So you cannot join expired Telegram links. That's it.